Hello friends, today I want to walk you through how you can make deposit into your MyFxChoice account. So the very first thing you do is to click on deposit. So once you go to your dashboard, you already see this, okay? So if you don't know how to get here, you can always come here, this place. So once you click here, you will get this. This will pop up for you. This place will pop up for you, okay? So just click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, they have different deposit options. You can deposit using crypto. You can deposit with other payment processors like your card, Skrill, and then Netel and the rest of them. Okay, so for me, I would prefer using crypto to make my deposits. So among the cryptos, the one I would recommend for you to use is you can use Litecoin, you can use Tether, you can use SRP, you can use Dogecoin, USDC. So the reason for these ones are their transaction um, fees are very low, very low. So if you're using any of these, you don't have to worry so much about transaction charges. Okay, so we're using Tether, TRC20, which the charge is just about $1. So let me click on this TRC20. Okay. So when you get here, don't just copy and make payments. Don't just use this. Okay, so click here to change this, because if you're using this, be ready to pay somewhere around $25 and upwards for transaction fees. So click here to change it to TRC, which will enable you to pay just $1, okay, for transaction fee. So click here, select TRC. So you can see the two options, this and this. So select the second one, TRC20. Then you input your amount. So the minimum amount you can actually deposit here is $100. So I would just encourage you, you can do 105, 105. Okay, so that is if you want to do the minimum, do 105. Then after that, the next thing you need to do is you need to enable this, then you submit. Okay, so you need to enable that, then you submit. All right, so let me do this 105, then you submit. RC20. Okay, then you submit. So one thing I want you to note is you can't make payments, or you can make payments anytime, but best time to make payments is actually work days, working hours. So Monday to Friday is your best time to make payments. So once you make payments, I've actually clicked on submit. Okay, so it's asking me, it's showing me my account detail and total amount that will be debited, which is 105. So all I need to do is click on confirm. All right, so once I click on confirm, I will see this next page, which will show me the address. Okay, so here you will now copy this, go to either your Trust Wallet, your Binance, or any other place where you're sending it to. Please make sure the network is TRC20. Please, very important. Make sure the network, because this is Tron, and not Tron address starts from T. Tron USDT address, that is TRC20 address starts from T. Okay, so take note of this. Then you can send your money. Once you send the money, don't leave this page. You can just hold on for some time while your payment um, get confirmed. So once it's confirmed, automatically you see it at your back office. All right, so this is just how to make your deposit. So as I was saying, don't forget, make your payments within working hours to make things easier. And then also, if you want to make withdrawals, they don't credit people on weekend. They credit people Monday to Friday, so they don't credit on weekend. All right, so thank you. And